Let's be honest, most weak lawns don't need more watering, more fertilizer, or another miracle product. They're weak because of one thing nobody really talks about: thatch quietly choking the soil underneath. And in this video, I'm not just showing you 5 cordless dethatchers. I'm showing you why so many lawns stay weak in the first place, and why most people are using the wrong approach without even realizing it. At number 5, the Greenworks 40V Cordless Dethatcher and Scarifier. This one is for the homeowner who thinks their lawn is mostly fine, and honestly, that's exactly the problem, because that's how thatch quietly builds up. That's also why this type of tool represents early-stage lawn decline. It runs on a 40V battery with a 14-inch working width, which is solid for small to mid-sized yards. The 2-in-1 dethatcher and scarifier setup means you're not just pulling up surface debris, you can actually switch into deeper cutting when needed. But here's the controversial part. Cordless convenience often hides a performance limit. It's great for maintenance and light to moderate thatch, but if your lawn is already compacted or struggling badly, this won't fix it. It exists here because it exposes a simple truth. Most lawns don't fail suddenly. They fail slowly when maintenance is too inconsistent. At number 4, the WEN 40V Cordless Dethatcher. This one is built for people who don't want lawn care to feel like a chore. And in the context of this video, it represents the "I'll deal with it later" mindset that leads to weak lawns. It uses a 40V battery system with a 14-inch deck and multiple depth settings, giving you enough control to handle surface-level thatch without overcomplicating things. It's lightweight, easy to push, and doesn't require fighting cords every time you use it. But here's where people get it wrong. This is not a repair machine. It's a maintenance tool. If your lawn already has heavy thatch buildup or soil compaction, this won't dig deep enough to reverse the damage. And that's exactly why it's here. It highlights the point that weak lawns aren't always about power. They're about neglect over time. At number 3, the Ego Power Plus 56V Cordless Dethatcher. Now this is where cordless starts pushing back. It challenges the idea that cordless tools can't handle serious lawn problems. With a 56V battery, it delivers stronger performance than typical cordless units, and the wider working path lets you cover more ground without slowing down. It also includes adjustable depth control, which matters when you're dealing with varying levels of thatch across your lawn. But here's the reality people don't like hearing. Even with this kind of power, cordless tools still hit a ceiling when it comes to deep, long-term lawn problems. It's great for moderate thatch and regular upkeep, but if your lawn is already severely compacted, this won't fully bring it back. And that's why it fits perfectly into this video. It exposes a bigger truth. Cordless tools can maintain a lawn, but they rarely rescue one. At number 2, the Joe AJ810 Electric Dethatcher and Scarifier. Now this is where things get uncomfortable, because this machine doesn't just clean the surface, it challenges how most people think about lawn care. It runs on a 12A motor with a 12.6-inch working width, and the real difference here is the scarifying function. That means instead of just pulling up thatch, it actually cuts into the soil to improve root growth. And that's the part most people miss. A weak lawn isn't just about what's on top, it's about what's happening underneath. The depth control lets you go from light dethatching to deeper scarifying, which is critical if your lawn has been neglected. But here's the catch: it's corded. Less convenience, more power, and that's the trade-off most people avoid. But that's exactly why lawns stay weak. This machine exists to expose that truth. People fix the surface, but ignore the root problem. At number 1, the WORX WG850 Cordless Dethatcher. Now this challenges the entire mindset behind how most people care for their lawns. With its cordless design and lightweight build, it's built for consistency, not brute force. It's easy to handle, easy to store, and most importantly, easy to actually use regularly. It includes adjustable depth settings and enough power for routine dethatching without overwhelming the user. But here's the controversial truth. Most lawns don't need a powerful machine. They need consistency. This tool isn't designed to fix extreme cases of thatch buildup. It's designed to prevent lawns from ever getting there. And that's why it's number one. It exposes the real reason lawns stay weak, not because tools don't exist, but because people wait too long to use them. So the point of this video is simple. Most lawns stay weak not because of effort, but because of what's being ignored underneath. Thatch builds up quietly, and if you don't deal with it, nothing else really works the way it should. Stay ahead of it, stay consistent, and your lawn actually has a chance to get stronger instead of just looking better for a few days.